So hello and welcome guys, how are you? I hope you all fine. Today I am coming with new task earning website. So guys, this website link I will provide in description box. So guys, how to register in this platform? We need to enter first your email address, then a login password, confirm password, transition password, and guys click the register button. So guys, after your register process done, you need to click simply mine button. Then guys, after you click the mine button, check if you have a now available balances 3 USDT. So guys, this is the worth register bonus 3 USDT after you register. Then guys, how to recharge in this platform? Please make be sure deposit network USDT TRC20 other network access cannot be depositing. So guys, copy this address and also remember only support USDT TRC20. Then guys, select USDT and click send button, and guys after you click send button, paste your address and guys send your top up amount. So guys, also remember a minimum deposit quantity is $2. Then guys, payment is now broadcasting. So guys, payment is now successfully transfer. After the payment transfer, click simply submit button. Then guys, now your payment is order review. So guys, check your payment automatically credit just now within 0.0 second here. So guys, now I will tell you how to make money. Click simply home button and VIP 1 Flipkart automatically unlock after your recharge process done. Then guys, how to complete task? Simply select task, and after you click here, you need to just click the submit button. So guys, just click submit button and complete your task. So guys, my today task is all my today two task is successfully complete. Then guys, simply click here. This is the task list, this is your history, this is your all history complete and read task. Then guys, click simply mine button. So guys, I will tell you now how to withdraw your balance. Check your balances now. Commission is 0.4 USDT. Then guys, you need to click the withdrawal button. So guys, after you click the withdrawal button, you need to copy your USDT TRC20, this your address. And guys, after you copy the address, paste here and enter the password and click the submit button. So guys, successfully change it. Then guys, how to withdraw now balance? So guys, also remember minimum withdrawal balance is 1 USDT, and guys, I have a 0.4 USDT. So guys, also remember minimum withdrawal amount 1 USDT, and guys check we have a 4 USDT 0.4. Then guys, after your withdrawal process done, you need to click simply team report button. So guys, after you click here, this is your team reports, this is your refer link. You need to copy this link, and guys after you copy this link, share this link in WhatsApp group, Telegram group and other etc sub tiers, and guys you will get many rewards. And guys, also copy your refer code and share also this refer code in your friend. And this is team size, team recharge and team withdrawal, how many people you invite, and this is a task rebate details and refer reward details. If you want check details, we need to click, and this is team level A, team B, team size, all your data. Then guys, click a VIP area. So guys, this is a VIP area, daily task is 2 and daily profit 0.4. this is the current status. And guys, this is the VIP 3, daily task is 4 and daily profit is 6.13 USDT. If you want to join, click here to join. Then guys, click simply mine button, and after you click mine button, we need to click home button. And if you want to download official application, click here to download the platform official application. And guys, simply scroll down, and this is the user commission notification. Congratulations, you are earning. So guys, this is mean this user live earning now in this platform. So guys, now we need to check the platform full interface. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe our channel, and if you have any question, please comments. Thanks for watching this video guys.